name is Adda. I'm from Sibu, Sarawak, because I really like that visual that can move and also telling story and also maybe something can interactable. So I want to learn that how design can be do more better than just look nice. So that's why I choose digital media design. For my final project just now is actually called Grow Silence. For this project actually is want to introduce that loss as a noise reducing shelter for people. And then because nowadays like noise pollution is very common in our city and really affect our mental, physical health. Then not people really know that moss actually can help us to absorb noise. So for this project, I want to raise up this awareness and to let them to appreciate with moss. So maybe next time they will see them, just don't remove it, just appreciate with them. I want to work in motion design and interactive media. Then I can really try out for my imaginations and also to keep mixing both digital and then technology and design together.